Hello friends, Namaskar. I am Pradeep Patil and wishing you all a very happy, healthy and safe life. Today we are going to discuss about the significance of 5 C's in credit management. What are these 5 C's? These are character, capacity, capital, conditions and collateral. Basically, the 5 C's of the credit is a system used by the lenders to gauge the credit worthiness of potential borrowers. There is no any strict guidelines for how lenders evaluate the attributes. They may consider different aspects of the loan proposal. For example, online lenders may be more willing to consider a borrower who is maintaining high credit score, while banks may care more about the capacity, collateral and the capital. In this background, the concept of 5 C's needs to be referred before sanctioning the loan. Now let us see one by one. First C is character. A lender's opinion of borrower's general trustworthiness, credibility and personality can be called character. Why it matters? Basically, banks want to lend to the people who are responsible and committed towards repaying the loan. How the character can be assessed? Every person or company has its own character. The character of the KPI, that means key person of the company, needs to be observed carefully. Suppose the key person is involved in the gambling or speculative activities, then we need to exercise utmost precautions before sanctioning the loan. Our work experience, credit history, credentials, various references, reputation and interaction with the applicants may help to assess the character of the applicant properly. Second is capacity. What is that? It is not only the ability to deliver, but also to repay the loan. Why it matters? Lenders want to be assured that the business generates enough cash flow and repay the loan in full. Cash flow from the operating and working capital cycle starts from the purchasing raw material. How the capacity can be assessed? What is the method? The capacity can be properly assessed from the financial metrics and the benchmark ratios, credit score, borrowings and repayment history. However, the capacity also includes as to how the person handles the challenges and the problems. Third is capital. The capital is nothing but the amount of money invested by the business owners or the management team. Generally, it should be 25% to 50% investment in the business. Why it matters? Banks are more willing to lend to the owners who have invested the own money into the venture. How it is assessed? Observe the record that shows the investment of the applicant in the business. In case there is no capital, then the application must be supported by the government guarantee or the funding like CGTMSE and subsidy. Fourth C is condition. Condition considers the state of the economy, industry trend, and how these factors might affect the ability of the borrower to repay the loan. Why it matters? To ensure that loans are properly repaid, banks want to lend to the businesses operating under the favorable conditions. How it is assessed? Competitive landscape, legal and regulatory norms, policy restrictions, suppliers and consumers relations, change in technology, and industry specific issues can be helpful in this regard. For example, nowadays government is moving towards the renewable energy or solar power plant instead of thermal power. That is why the activity of thermal power is being discouraged nowadays. So being a banker, being a prudent banker, we have to keep this thing in our mind. Fifth is collateral. What is the collateral? Collateral is nothing but the assets that are used to guarantee or secure the loan. Why it matters? Collateral is a backup source if the borrower cannot repay the loan. How it is assessed? From hard assets such as land, building, equipments, working capital such as accounts, receivables, inventory can be counted as collateral. There should be a good characteristic collateral. There is a simple formula to identify the good collateral, and this formula is known as MAST, M-A-S-T. The collateral should be marketable, accessible, then sustainable and transferable. Then only we can protect the interest of the banking and the financial institutes by taking the collateral from the borrower. Now let us summarize. Basically, this 5 C's concept includes character, capacity, capital, condition and collateral. It is a risk mitigation tool for assessing the loan proposal. It provides the insight to evaluate the loan proposal in scientific way. If it is properly utilized before sanctioning the loan, then certainly the asset quality will be better. So this is all about the concept of 5 C's in credit management. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.